In this video, we're going to explore Mia and her first trip to London. And in the end, I'll teach you the words in yellow. Mia's exciting trip to London. Mia had always dreamed of visiting London. One day, her parents surprised her with tickets to spend a week in the city. She was thrilled. As soon as they arrived at the airport, Mia couldn't wait to explore. After a quick taxi ride, they reached the hotel in the heart of London. It was near Hyde Park, and Mia loved how green and peaceful it was. On the first day, Mia and her parents took a red double-decker bus tour around the city. She loved sitting on the top floor, where she could see everything. They passed by famous landmarks like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and the Tower of London. One afternoon they went to Covent Garden, a lively area full of street performers, cute shops, and restaurants. Mia watched a magician perform tricks and couldn't believe how he made things disappear. The highlight of her trip was visiting the British Museum. Mia was amazed by the exhibits, especially the Egyptian mummies and the Rosetta Stone. She learned so much about history and different cultures. On their last day, Mia wanted to try some typical British food. So they went to a cafe for afternoon tea. She loved the tiny sandwiches, scones with jam and cream, and of course, a nice cup of tea. As the trip came to an end, Mia was sad to leave, but excited to share her stories with friends. London had been everything she had imagined, and she promised herself she'd return someday. Thrilled. Very excited or happy. Mia was thrilled to visit London for the first time. Landmark. A well-known building or place, often a tourist attraction. Big Ben is one of London's most famous landmarks. Lively. Full of energy and activity. Covent Garden was lively, with street performers and busy shops. Exhibit. A display of items in a museum or gallery. The museum had an exhibit of ancient Egyptian artifacts. Scone. A small, slightly sweet bread, often served with tea. Mia enjoyed a scone with jam and cream during afternoon tea. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.